With a coloring stencil available, the Birdie Friends in Winter Die features a line of 4 birds with winter accessories, a branch, and 2 alternating strings. The 4 birds are spaced exactly the same on the stencil as they are on the die. We recommend die cutting the birds and branch first, and then using the negative die cuts to help position the birds on your grip mat. This way, you can stencil all 4 birds at the same time for all the layers. If your die cut piece doesn't stick to the mat, it could be due to the texture or thickness of the paper. A quick fix is to use a piece of low tack tape. Press it in place on the mat with the adhesive side facing up. This works especially well with tapes that have a smooth plastic backing. Align the stencil to the die cut in place, then press along the edges of the die cut to seal them in. Following the guides and examples on the product packaging, color the birds in your favorite color combos. The first 3 layers on Stencil 1 cover most of the bird's body. Stencil 2 contains the beaks and eyes, which you can skip if you're using the die to add texture. That tip about skipping a layer is etched right on the stencil. In this demo, we skip the eyes but add more detail to the scarves. We love how easy it is to make multiples of these to add a whimsical touch to your cards. If you die cut the branch from white cardstock, you can simply color the trunk using the stencil, which gives you the look of scattered snow, or use white stencil paste over colored cardstock to add the snow layer through the stencil. You can use the extra beanie from the die set to customize your birds even more. Use the strings in place of the branch for an indoor look, or use a small brush to add some blush to your birds. You can use the stencil to color in the beanies. You can also stencil one bird at a time to minimize masking and experiment with your favorite colors. Take time to plan your colors before adhering the birds to your card. Here are some examples with the eyes and nostrils stenciled in, and some where we skip the stencil layer for the eyes. In the rest of the video, Galena shares 3 fun ways to use this month's kit. We hope you enjoy it and feel inspired as she creates 3 cards with it.